Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to download and install Power BI tool for Windows operating system. So first, you have to open web browser. Within this, you have to type Power BI download. Now you have to select this first link, download Power BI, and this Power BI tool is given by Microsoft, and this tool is used for analyze and visualize the raw data to present actionable information. So let's start to download this tool. Here you will get option download Power BI desktop. So I'm using it for laptop. So just I will click on this download Power BI desktop. Now here it will show the message open Microsoft Store. So just click on this open Microsoft Store. So it will, it's Microsoft Store. If it is not showing on your machine, you can search from search box also. So Microsoft Store. Now here you will get option either get or install. So just you have to click on this button. So for installation, it will take little bit of time. Now friends, installation is completed here. So just click on this open button. Now it will open Power BI tool for desktop. So here, if you have already created files, you can open these files from here. Else you can create new files also. So just you have to click on this blank report. If you click on this blank report, here you can import Excel file also, as import data from SQL server also, and you can work on this. This is your working area for Power BI. So friends, if you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.